Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive into beautiful Zion National Park. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins in Mount Carmel Junction, where Utah 9 begins at US 89. From there, we will make the short trip to Zion National Park and enter through the eastern gate. From there, we'll make our way through the beautiful park, following Utah 9 to the tunnel that separates the eastern and western parts of the park. This video will come to an end as we exit the western side of the tunnel. This video is from the 6th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already seen like California, New Mexico, and Texas, but also upcoming states like Colorado, Kansas, and Missouri. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving west on Utah 9 towards amazing Zion National Park. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we will drive Utah 9 and amazing Zion National Park, so make sure to subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.